Hey, I'm Shane from Shane's Law. What information you need to get after your accident, okay? And this to present your case to the insurance company. First, you're gonna need a couple simple things. Everybody gets it. The accident report, if you did one, okay, or if the police filled it out, you'll need that. Second, if there are pictures of your car in the collision and even the area that's relevant to how the accident occurred, get that, especially if the other side is disputing liability and saying it's your fault. Get us some pictures of the scene, any skid marks, things like that, all right? Skid marks can actually show whether the other party just came over into your lane or whether they blew through a stop sign or something like that. Third, you're gonna need the medical bills and records related to your medical care and your treatment, okay? A personal injury case is based on the type of treatment you receive, how long that lasts, what you have to go through, and the medical records are the key component of that. Otherwise, all we have is you talking about it, which the insurance company devalues a tremendous amount, okay? So we've gotta have those bills and records for your personal injury case. Now, when you talk to the police at the scene, what do you need to tell them? Simple, tell them what happened, okay? I always tell clients, you need to keep it short, simple, to the point, answer the questions, but just say what happened. If you didn't do anything wrong, you drove through, the light was green, talk about that. If you have a witness though who's on your side, make sure you tell the police. That part is critical, okay? If you have a witness, let's get them added to the police report, get their name on there, at least with the phone numbers. 1, so you can get them later on. 2, so your lawyer can talk to them. And 3, so the police officer can talk to them. Puts a lot at rest if you've got an independent witness, okay? When talking to the cops, you've got your ID, you've got your policy information. You should always keep your insurance card in the dash, so you've got it right away, and tell them what happened. All right, also, if the person who caused the accident was acting crazy, are they high, drunk, look like they've been doing alcohol, something like that, make sure you tell the police officer so we can document that at the scene, okay? Because if you say it after the fact, you're not gonna have any evidence, all right? I'm Shane from Shane's Law. Like and subscribe for more interesting things like this, and click the bell for notifications. And always remember, if you're in pain, call Shane at 980-999-9999.
In pain, so I call Shane. 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.